Welcome back to Freedom Flyers, the 2026 Yamaha R7. Like the thrill? Subscribe for more power. The 2026 Yamaha R7 represents the perfect fusion of agility, precision, and everyday rideability, built for riders who crave performance but also value control. This isn't a bike that tries to overwhelm you with brute force. It's a machine that invites you to master it. With its 689cc CP2 parallel twin engine, the R7 delivers around 72 horsepower and 68 newton-meters of torque, offering an incredibly balanced power band that's thrilling yet manageable. Yamaha has focused on making the R7 a true supersport for the real world, lightweight, slim, and responsive. It's not about chasing 200 mph top speeds, but about giving the rider pure connection and confidence on every curve, every corner, and every straight line. This is where Yamaha's racing DNA shines, a machine designed not only to perform, but to communicate with its rider. Visually, the 2026 Yamaha R7 carries the unmistakable R-Series identity. The twin LED headlights sit inside a sleek aerodynamic front fairing that slices through the air with minimal drag. Every contour, from the sharp tail section to the aggressive side fairings, has been refined to channel air efficiently while keeping the bike stable at speed. The blue and black color scheme, paired with the iconic Yamaha racing decals, gives it that premium track-ready look even when it's standing still. The aerodynamic mirrors now integrate turn indicators for a cleaner design, while the compact LED taillight keeps the rear section sharp and focused. The new 5-inch full-color TFT display brings modern tech to the cockpit, allowing the rider to access ride modes, traction control settings, and connectivity options with ease. It's not overloaded with distractions, just pure function and simplicity, the Yamaha way. Underneath that sleek design lies a steel diamond-type frame, re-engineered for 2026 to improve rigidity and balance. The chassis has been tuned to provide precise feedback to the rider, whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting your favorite track. The fully adjustable 41mm inverted front forks and linked rear shock give the R7 sharp handling and predictable cornering. Combined with its 189-kilogram wet weight, the bike feels planted yet light on its feet. Every flick, every lean, feels deliberate and intuitive. Yamaha has also upgraded the electronics package this year, adding a 6-axis IMU that allows for cornering ABS, traction control, slide control, and lift control. Technology once reserved for its leader-class superbikes. This gives riders the confidence to push their limits safely while still feeling in control of the machine. Performance is where the R7 finds its sweet spot. The 689cc parallel twin might not boast superbike-level numbers, but its real magic lies in its character. The engine delivers strong mid-range torque, ideal for both city riding and high-speed sprints. Power delivery is smooth yet punchy, allowing riders to accelerate out of corners with precision. The assist and slipper clutch keeps downshifts smooth and stable, preventing wheel hop under hard braking. On track, the quick and light nature of the R7 makes it incredibly fun, not intimidating but thrilling in a way that encourages you to ride harder, corner deeper, and improve your skills with every lap. It's the kind of motorcycle that rewards finesse, not brute strength. Yamaha built the 2026 R7 with a purpose: to fill the gap between beginner-friendly bikes and full-blown superbikes. It's a machine that feels equally at home commuting through traffic as it does chasing apexes on track days. The seating position is sporty but not punishing, the controls are precise, and the build quality feels premium from every angle. The R7 embodies Yamaha's commitment to balance, a bike that gives you power when you need it, comfort when you want it, and control at all times. It's not about the biggest engine or the highest top speed. It's about making every ride feel alive. For riders who value technique, feel, and connection over sheer horsepower, the 2026 Yamaha R7 delivers an experience that's raw, engaging, and utterly addictive. It's not just another middleweight sport bike, it's a reminder that real performance isn't measured in numbers, but in moments on the road where man and machine move as one.